Welcome to Mary's Monday Minute. I am in the high school boiler room and I'm here with Jessica Beehner, who's our supervisor of facilities. We're taking a field trip to find out what happens behind the scenes to make sure that all of our students are safe, warm, and connected. Jessica, tell us a little bit about what work is included in your job as being the facility supervisor. What kind of things are you doing?
A lot of different stuff. We take care of all of the preventative maintenance for maintenance and grounds, making sure that the students have safe, warm environments when they come to school.
Okay.
So these are the heating boilers. So these are doing the HVAC and the water.
Okay, so this is the HVAC system right here. Okay.
Yep. So
Okay.
we're bringing in fresh outside air
Okay.
coming in, then these heat and warm and send it out
Okay.
to the buildings. This one is currently down.
Okay.
Depending on how cold it is, all
Okay.
three may need to fire.
Okay. Tell me about this particular, what is this?
Expansion tank for hot water.
Okay.
So our hot water tank is there, so it's like a holding tank so that there's always hot water on standby.
Jessica just let me know that these boilers are over 20 years old. On February 14th, our voters will be asked to consider 2 levies, and one of them is a capital levy. Included in that will be the replacement of these boilers. Can you tell me, Jessica, what is your favorite part about facilities supervising?
It's never boring. You never know what's
There it
going
is.
to come up.